Hi, my name is Rajesh Patnaik. Welcome to Rajesh Technologies. If you like my videos, you can like and subscribe to my videos. Okay, so today onwards, I am going to tell you how to execute the C language programs, and we are going to start with the C language. Okay, so I am going to take the open source software because so many C language environments are there like Turbo C and Borland C and Goat blocks. Okay, most open source I use generally is Dev C++, C by C++. You can develop any C language program as well as C++ program also. So please download Dev C++ in your computer. So how to download? Please go to Google Chrome and type Dev C /C++ free download for your operating system. For example, my operating system is Windows 7 or Windows. You can directly type like this. Okay, so you can free download. You can file hippo is best. You can go and download. Click here and download. So it will be downloaded. So Dev, it is an open source, clearly here written. So everybody is used easily. Okay, so now I already installed in my system, so you can also proceed like this and you can download from any site freely. So I am going to start with the basic first program. So let us understand the program. So open the C++ environment. Here having some problem? No. Okay, so let us see. So after opening the environment of Dev C++ like this, you can go file, new, source file. Okay, go to file, new, source file. So now you are going to start your first program. So in the previous video we understand the structure of the C program. It is very much important while writing the C program. The first step is header files. It is very important. What is header files? Header files are nothing but the API. What is API? What is API? API means application program interface. Application program interface. That means if I want to develop any application, what is an application? Collection of programs will lead to an application. Okay, that means whenever you are writing a set of programs or writing a program, we need a basic interface. For example, if I want to demonstrate any class for you, I need to sum up resources. Without these resources, how can I develop? I can expand a class. For example, classroom is an interface to demonstrate the classes. Without classroom, how can I classroom with different resources? How can I tell the class? Similarly, if I want to develop any program, I need an API, application program interface. Without application program interface, I can't develop any program. Here C language is also having some header file. The header files are nothing but here we are going to write hash. Hash tells that preprocessor. Preprocessor means there is already a set of functions is defined by the manufacturer. Those statements will be executed first before our program executes. Like we are going to learn that particular things like print that in this particular program I want to print a small hello here. So hash include stdio.h is the main thing. Hash means preprocessor. What is that? Hash include stdio.h consisting of some predefined functions. Without using those functions, I cannot write a C program. So I need to declare the header files first. So what is that? There is so many header files will be there. According to our requirements, we are going to declare those header files. But every C program we are going to write this particular header file. What is that? Hash include hash include, sorry, hash include stdio.h. What is that? This is the header file we need to write before our program starts, because this particular header file consisting of the predefined functions. For example, if I want to display some content in the output, I need to write printf. What is that? I will tell you. Printf is a predefined function. It is used to print some content in the output. I cannot write any other thing like a display or anything. So I need to follow the rules and regulations. What is that? Printf is the predefined function. C language tells that printf is the predefined function. Please use that particular function to print anything in the output. So that's why I declared hash include stdio.h first as a header file. What is the second step? The second step is main method. What is a main method? So main method is an abstract function. What is that? What does that mean? Main method is neither user defined or not predefined. It is not predefined. Predefined means already defined by the scientist. It is not defined. It is not defined by any scientist. It is not user defined also. I am not defined my own function. It is neither predefined nor user defined. It is an abstract function. That means the body of this particular function, the body of, what is a body? I will clarify you. What is the body of that particular function is defined by the programmer according to his or her requirements. For example, if you want to develop your own program like sum of two numbers, you can develop your own program. Another person wants to develop a leap year program. He will write his own steps in the main method. So main method is an empty. According to your requirements, you can write your own statements. If A want to develop their own program, he will develop their own statements. So let us see. In our program, I want to display hello world. So main method is the starting part of the program. Without the main method, you can't develop your application, means you can't develop your program. So main method is the first and foremost thing. It may be a C language or C++ or Java or Python, anything. So you must having a main method. Without main method, you can't develop your program, because the compiler will understand this is the starting point of the execution or compilation. So main method having a flower brackets like this. Whenever I open, it is automatically closed. So because I use it that day, this is the environment. Some of the environments is not supported. You must keep flower bracket open as well as closed. So this is the steps. The first step is declaring the header files. The second step is declaring a main method. Third step is open the program with a flower bracket, okay, and close it with the closed flower bracket. Okay, these are the flower brackets. Now, what is the program? The program here is I want to display the hello C programmer. So printf. What is printf? Printf is the predefined function. Every statement must be ended with the semicolon. Printf. Under printf, double quote, please, two double quotations. Printf, under the double quotations, whatever you want to provide, that is going to be printed in the output. For example, hello C programmer. Hello C programmer. I am typing like this. Hello C programmer. So what happened? This is going to be printed in the output. Every statement, how many statements you are going to give? You must end with a semicolon. So here main method is the starting point of the execution. The compiler will understand the main method. So this is the statements one by one. The printf is the statement here. That is what is printf? Printf is a predefined function. Where is this is already defined by the scientists in the header files. So what is the purpose of the printf? Printf is the predefined function. It is used to print some content in the output. Whatever you written under the double quotation, that is going to be printed in the output. So here I written hello C programmer. So after writing your program, you must save your program. Okay. So you will save the program anywhere in the entire system. You can go and anywhere in the entire system. So I am going to create a folder for the C programs, creating a C language programs. So this is the folder. Under this particular folder only I am going to create my files. Okay, now here save the file, save the file with, so go to D drive. I already created a folder, that is a C language programs. Now save the program as C file. So select C source file in the save as type. Save as C source file. Here name it. This is your first program now. So FIRST, first is my name of the file. So first.c automatically will be saved under which folder? C language programs. So please click on the save button. It is going to be saved. See here, first.c. Now you understand the program. This is the first program. So how to execute the program? By pressing F5 or go to execute tab and compile the program first. After compilation, it is going to give you errors and all the things here. There is no errors in the program. So this is the program compilation. See here, this is the output window. Errors is 0 and warnings is 0. You can proceed. So after the compilation process, now you can execute. Now you can execute the program. So you can run the program by pressing F10. F9 is for compilation and F10 for running the program. So whenever you run the program, hello C program will come automatically. That means what I returned in printf, hello C programmer. So C programmer is automatically command. So next. So if I want to change here, hello C developer, I want to change hello C developer. Then once again save the program and once again compile the program. There is no errors and no warnings. Once again execute the program. Then now hello C developer. So this is the thing. Now what is the internal process whenever you are compiling and executing the program? What happens internally? So I will explain in the next video. So thank you.